If you're over 60 and you're waking up with puffy eyes, even after what feels like a full night of sleep, I want you to pause for a moment and listen very closely. What's happening under your eyes isn't just aging, it's not just fatigue, and it's definitely not something that expensive creams or cold spoons can truly fix for good. That soft, persistent swelling is often one of your body's earliest warning signs that something deeper is out of balance. It's a signal that your circulation has slowed down, that your lymph fluid isn't draining properly, and that your nervous system might have been stuck in stress mode for far too long. In my clinic, I've seen this many times. I remember one of my patients, Margaret, who was 72. She came to me worried about her old, tired face. But what really caught my attention wasn't her skin, it was that subtle puffiness beneath her eyes. That swelling told a much bigger story. It hinted that her electrolytes were off, her lymph drainage was sluggish, and her stress hormones were elevated, especially at night. Within just a few weeks of gently correcting those underlying issues without using a single cosmetic product, the puffiness started to fade. Her sleep improved dramatically, and the natural brightness returned to her eyes. You see, your face is not failing you, it's communicating with you. Those puffy eyes are quietly telling you that your body needs better flow, better breathing, and a deeper sense of calm. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you exactly how to respond to that message. We'll be using a simple, 1-minute daily lymph drainage massage routine. This technique was taught by Japan's oldest practicing doctor, and it's specifically designed to restore circulation, calm your nervous system, and allow that trapped fluid to finally move out of your face, naturally. There are no needles, no creams, and no medications involved. Just gentle, simple movements that awaken your body's own natural ability to heal itself. So, if you're ready to see a change, let's begin. Does your vision seem to get worse after 60, even when your eye doctor says everything is fine? If you find yourself struggling with blurry text, blinding headlights at night, or feeling unsteady in dim light, you're not alone, and the cause might not be what you think. As a doctor who works with seniors every day, I often see patients who are frustrated with their vision. They tell me things like, "My vision jumps when I read glossy pages," or, "At dusk, curbs look fuzzy, and my depth perception feels off." But when we run scans, there's often no serious eye disease. So, what's really happening? It's not always a problem with the eyes themselves. More often, it's a fatigue of the entire visual communication system. Think of it like a conversation between your eyes and your brain. After 60, this conversation can start to break down. First, your eye muscles are working overtime. They're constantly straining to hold focus, which leads to tightness and fatigue. Second, your eyes produce fewer tears. This means the protective tear film on your eyes gets thinner, causing dryness, glare, burning sensations, and vision that fluctuates between clear and blurry. Third, stress plays a huge role. It keeps your nervous system in a constant alert mode, preventing your eyes from ever truly relaxing. And finally, the coordination between your eyes, your inner ear for balance, and your brain slows down. This is the same network that keeps you steady on your feet, so when it's out of sync, your vision can feel unstable. The good news is, we can help reset and retrain this system. Before we get into long-term exercises, let's start with an immediate reset. This is something I teach all my patients, even those recovering from surgery, because it's safe, fast, and incredibly effective. It's called the blink reset, and it only takes 30 seconds. Ready? Let's do it together right now. First, I want you to start blinking gently and intentionally for 10 seconds. Don't squeeze your eyes shut, just soft, full, relaxed blinks like this. Keep going. This simple action starts to release that built-up muscle tension. Now, close your eyes and take 2 slow, calm breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth. One more time, in and out. This signals to your nervous system that it's safe to relax and downshift from that high-lit state. Finally, open your eyes and just return to your natural blinking for the next 20 seconds. Don't force it. Just let your eyes find their smooth, easy rhythm again. And to finish, do a few more complete, relaxed blinks. So, why does this simple 30-second routine work so well? First, it immediately smooths and renews the tear film on your eyes. This is what gives you that instant improvement in clarity and reduces that annoying glare. Many of my patients notice less scratchiness and softer light right away. Second, it releases the tension in your overworked eye muscles. allowing your focus to settle naturally instead of fighting to stay clear. And most importantly, it calms your nervous system. It's like telling your body, everything's okay, you can stand down. This simple act of intentional care primes the eye-brain network, getting it ready for exercises that build long-term stability and steadiness. That feeling of relief you might be experiencing right now isn't just luck. It's your body's direct response to a moment of focused care. By doing this simple reset, you've taken the first step toward improving the conversation between your eyes and your brain. If you found this helpful, imagine what a few more minutes a day could do. This is just the beginning of how you can actively support your vision as you age. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more simple tips to help you see and feel your best. Hello everyone, and welcome. As a physician who has spent decades caring for older adults, I want to start by reassuring you of something very important. Improving your vision stability isn't about forcing it or doing intense, strenuous workouts. It's actually the opposite. Stability returns through gentle coordination. What we're going to do today isn't about working the eyes hard. Instead, we'll be calmly retraining the vital communication pathway between your eyes, your brain, your neck, and your balance system. These are the exact drills I've personally taught to my patients who were struggling with things like nighttime glare, feeling dizzy on stairs, or getting that frustrating eye fatigue while reading. And I've been privileged to watch so many of them regain their steadiness and confidence, often within just a few weeks. We have a set of 10 gentle exercises today. Each drill lasts just 1 minute. You can pick 3 to 5 to practice each day, whatever fits your schedule, or you can work through all 10 as a complete, calming daily routine. It's all about what feels right for you. Ready to begin? Let's start with our first exercise. Exercise 1 is the neck halo with a fixed gaze. First, find a soft visual target straight ahead of you. A picture frame on the wall or a doorway works perfectly. Now, keep your eyes fixed on that single point. While you do that, slowly begin to make small, gentle circles with your head, almost like you're drawing a little halo in the air. The movement should be small and controlled. This exercise is fantastic because it trains your visual system to stay calm and focused even while your body is in motion. It reconnects the eyes, the inner ear, and the neck. This is extremely helpful if you ever experience dizziness while walking or feel a strain when you turn your head. Let's do this together for 1 minute. Remember, slow and gentle circles, keeping your eyes locked on your target. Great job. Alright, moving on to exercise number 2, side glances with breathing. For this one, keep your head perfectly still, facing forward. Now, inhale slowly as you let your eyes slide gently to the far right. Then, as you exhale, bring them smoothly back to the center. Now, let's repeat to the other side. Inhale as your eyes slide to the left, and exhale as they return to the center. The key here is to move gently, never straining. This simple exercise helps retrain smooth tracking and can really reduce that jumpy vision that many people notice when they're rereading a book or watching traffic at dusk. Let's continue this for 1 minute. Inhale to the side, exhale to the center. Smooth and easy. Now for a wonderfully relaxing one. Exercise 3, dark rest palming. Start by rubbing your hands together to generate a little bit of warmth. Once they feel warm, gently cup your palms over your closed eyes. Make sure there's no pressure on your eyeballs themselves. We just want to create complete, soothing darkness. Now, just breathe, slowly and deeply through your nose for 1 full minute. Feel the warmth from your hands. This simple action deeply relaxes all the tiny focusing muscles inside your eyes. It quiets those automatic squinting reflexes and helps restore an even tear film across your eye's surface. So many of my patients have told me that this step alone dramatically reduces that feeling of dryness and eye fatigue. Let's just rest here in the darkness for our minute. Let's move to exercise 4, vertical eye glides with your eyes open. Again, keep your head still and facing forward. Look straight up toward the ceiling. Then, slowly bring your gaze back to the center. Now, look straight down toward the floor and return again to the center. Let's try to sync each movement with your breath. Make it slow and smooth. Maybe inhale as you look up, exhale to center. Inhale as you look down, exhale to center. This exercise helps to soften muscle tension around the eyes, expand your natural range of motion, and restore that fluid movement you need for steady, comfortable focus. Let's do this together for 1 minute. Up, center, down, center, no rushing. 4. Exercise 5. We'll do small eye circles. With your head remaining still, you're going to gently and slowly draw small circles with just your eyes. Imagine you're tracing the rim of a small plate. Go one direction for a bit, then switch and go the other direction. This movement helps bring back smooth cooperation to eye muscles that might have grown tight from years of squinting at screens or in the sun. It strengthens the fine coordination needed for tracking a line of text in a book and for safely watching moving objects, like a car or a person walking by. Keep the circles slow and controlled for our full minute. Next up, exercise 6 is the figure 8 eye track. This is a great one for brain-eye coordination. Move slowly and calmly. Trace the loop on one side, cross the middle, and trace the loop on the other side. This particular movement activates pathways in your cerebellum that support reading ease, improve your depth judgment, and contribute to walking stability. Patients who are working to overcome dizzy vision or a sense of balance uncertainty find this drill incredibly beneficial. Let's trace that lazy 8 in the air with our eyes for 1 minute. Now for exercise 7, the gentle lid squeeze. Go ahead and gently close your eyes. Now, add a soft, deliberate squeeze for about 3 seconds. Then, open your eyes for 3 seconds, and repeat. Close, and give a gentle squeeze, then open. We'll do this rhythm for 1 minute. This simple action helps to awaken the eyelid muscles and stimulates the important oil glands within the lids. These glands are what keep your tear film stable, which is essential for reducing glare, dryness, and that gritty feeling in your eyes. Gentle squeeze, then relax and open. We're on to exercise 8, the temple press and release. Take your fingertips and place them lightly on your temples, just beside the outer corners of your eyes. Now, press gently for 2 seconds, and then release for 2 seconds. Repeat this calming rhythm for 1 minute. The pressure should be minimal. Think of comfort, not force. This action helps to enhance venous and lymphatic drainage around the eye area, easing that heavy or crowded feeling that many of us can experience. A gentle press and a gentle release. 2 more to go. Exercise 9 is shape tracing. Using only your eyes, I want you to slowly trace some simple shapes in the air. Let's start with a triangle. Trace one side, pause at the corner. Trace the next side, pause and trace the third side back to the start. Now, let's trace a rectangle. Then, a circle. Pausing softly at each corner of the shapes helps build accuracy in landing your visual targets. This is an essential skill for everyday tasks, like reading labels at the grocery store, scanning shelves, and navigating busy sidewalks safely. Let's spend our minute tracing our shapes. Finally, our last exercise, number 10. This one has 2 parts, closed eye glides and a near-far focus switch. For the first part, close your eyes softly. Now, with your eyes closed, move your eyeballs up as you inhale, then move them down as you exhale. These are internal movements that strengthen your visual coordination without any strain or brightness overload. Let's do that for about 30 seconds. Now, for the second part, open your eyes. Hold your thumb up at about arm's length. Then, pick a distant object to look at, like a wall or a door frame across the room. We're going to slowly switch our gaze. Look at your thumb, then switch your focus to the far point. Hold for a few slow breaths, then bring your focus back to your thumb. This exercise is wonderful for improving depth perception, clarity when you change focus, and your safety when stepping off curbs or reading small print. And there you have it. 10 simple, gentle exercises to support your vision. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Doing just a few of these each day can make a real difference. Have you ever felt like your vision is just ... wearing out? Like the world is getting a little blurrier, a little less steady, especially as you get older? What if I told you that your eyes aren't just wearing out, they're actually asking for a little guidance? Over the past decade, research from both Japan and the United States has confirmed something I see with my own patients every single day. Very small, very gentle eye exercises can create meaningful improvements in vision and stability for older adults. Now, this isn't about miracles or quick fixes. This is about neurological retraining. Think about it. Even short periods of what we call near-eye training can strengthen the attention networks in your brain. They can improve how your eyes coordinate with your balance centers and significantly reduce that tired, strained feeling in your eyes. In practice, what does this actually look like for you? Well, seniors who practice these gentle exercises often start to notice some amazing changes. Things like sharper visual edges when you're reading a book or watching TV, less glare from oncoming headlights or bright screens. You might notice fewer of those sticky blinks or that scratchy, dry eye sensation, especially late in the day. Your focus can become more stable when you shift from looking at something close up, like your phone, to something far away across the room. And most importantly, you might feel a greater sense of confidence on stairs, particularly at dusk or in dimly lit hallways. It's about reducing that overall eye fatigue that can build up throughout the day. I remember one patient of mine, a wonderful retired teacher in her late 70s. She really struggled to switch her focus from her book to her surroundings without feeling dizzy and disoriented. It made her hesitant and nervous. After we worked together, she started practicing these simple 1-minute exercises just twice a day. After only 2 weeks, she came back and told me, "The world feels steadier. I no longer hesitate on steps." That is the kind of quiet improvement that truly matters. It's not about some cosmetic change. It's about regaining functional confidence in your daily life. So, how does it work? True vision improvement is all about retraining your nervous system. Each gentle exercise helps to calm those overworked eye muscles. It helps reset the tear film that protects the surface of your eye, which is key for comfort. It also restores the timing along the nerve pathways between your eye and your brain, and strengthens the coordination with the balance centers that guide your safe movement. Here's the most important part. Intensity is not the answer. Consistency is. 1 calm minute, practiced daily, is so much more powerful than doing a long, strenuous session every once in a while. Seniors who stick with this gentle routine often find they regain steadier vision, more comfortable reading, and safer navigation at night. It all adds up to greater independence and self-confidence. Your eyes are not broken. They are simply asking for some guidance, a little rhythm, and your patience. When you provide that, your nervous system responds beautifully. So before you go, I want you to remember this. Your eyesight and your independence are not lost to age. They are shaped by the small, positive choices you make every single day. If today's routine helped your eyes feel even a little bit calmer, clearer, or steadier, please take one simple step to support this growing community. First, tap the like button so more seniors can find these safe, science-based exercises. Then, subscribe to The Healthy Path for our weekly, doctor-guided routines that protect your vision, your balance, and your confidence. And finally, share this video with someone you care about, a spouse, a parent, or a friend who deserves to see and move through life with clarity and confidence again. Your eyes are still listening, and I'll be here every week on The Healthy Path to help you protect your sight and your independence, one gentle minute at a time. Thank you for watching.